When it hurts, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. Be kind, honest, loving, and true, and all of these things will come back to you. People will throw stones at you. Don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It is about learning to dance in the rain. Don't change yourself to win someone's heart. Stay true and you will find someone who likes you for being you. Happiness depends on you. Don't expect someone else to give it to you. Life is so much simpler when you stop explaining yourself to people and just do what works for you. A meaningful life is not being rich, being highly educated, or being perfect. It is about being real, being humble, being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of others. Past is a nice place to visit, but certainly not a good place to stay. Learn to wait. There's always time for everything. Difficult and meaningful will always bring more satisfaction than easy and meaningless. One day you will be at the place you always wanted to be. Don't stop believing. Being alone has a power that very few people can handle. Life is not promised to us. We are blessed every day by simply being able to rise in the morning. Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you are positive, good things happen. Live the life of your dreams. Be brave enough to live the life of your dreams according to your vision and purpose instead of the expectations and opinions of others. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Look at the sparrows. They do not know what they will do in the next moment. Let us literally live from moment to moment. There is no weapon more powerful in achieving truth than acceptance of yourself. Make each day your masterpiece. Life is very interesting. In the end, some of your greatest pains become your greatest strengths. Life is too short to spend with people that make you feel bad about yourself. Problems are hidden opportunities and constraints that can actually boost creativity. They start missing you when they fail to replace you. Learn to wait. There is always time for everything. A friend that motivates you is a blessing. When you are pure soul, you do not lose people. People lose you. Life is what you celebrate, all of it, even its end.